Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Again welcome back in my SSB guidance series. I had already launched a video named What to Carry with You in SSB. Do watch that video if you have not before this video. Today we are going to discuss about the SSB test in brief. So the testing procedure at SSB consists of 5 days. It consists of stage 1 and stage 2. The first day you are having a screening test. In that you have to wear the formal dress. Formal dress consists of light colored shirt and dark trouser, formal black shoes, black socks, and in day 2 is psychological test. Again you have to wear the formal dress. Day 3 is a GTO 1, that is group test and it was divided in 2 days, GTO 1 and GTO 2. Day 3 is GTO 1. In that you have to wear the white dress, that is white t-shirt and trouser or lower, it may be shorts, and white socks and white shoes, that is sport shoes. Okay. In day 4 also you have to wear the white dress, that is everything white, t-shirts and lowers, and sport shoes. Remember, you have to wear the sport shoes. In day 5 there is a conference. It is just a matter of 2 to 3 minutes and in front of all the SSRs. Let us discuss all the things in brief. Day of reporting. On the day of reporting, there you have to divide it in groups, allotment of chest number, verification of documents, you are batched in different batches, and PIQ may be filled in stage 1 or after you got screened in, then it may depends upon SSB center to SSB center. Stage 1 consists of first of all, testing shall commence at 6:30 am on the first day and will comprise of intelligence test and PPDT. OIR is Officers Intelligence Rating Test and PPDT is Picture Perception and Description Test. So in OIR test, it is a basic aptitude test. It consists of 2 papers, 50 questions each, and for each paper 30 minutes is given. And this paper consists of verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. Yes, if you want to note down what is syllabus of verbal and non-verbal, then note it down. In case of verbal reasoning, you are having questions from number sequence, size of number quiz, interchanging signs, problems on rank, direction sense test, shorter taller problem, alphabet related problem, odd one out, analogy, coding and decoding, identification of letters, series completion, letter series, and blood relation problem. These are consist of verbal reasoning. Now, in case of non-verbal reasoning, you got the questions from figure analogy, figure matrix, choosing the similar figure, choosing odd figure, series, classification, grouping of identical figures, find parts of incomplete figure, spotting embedded figure, mirror image and water image, paper cutting, visualizing pattern and paper folding, putting pieces together, problems on dice and problems on cube. This consists of OIR, that is Officers Intelligence Rating. In this rating, you must score 1 to 2 to get screened in. It means approx you have to score 81 to 100 marks. In case of you are scoring 3 to 4, then you are on the borderline, that is 61 to 80 marks. And if you are scoring 5, then it is definitely you are going to fail this exam. It is less than 60 marks. The next one is PPDT. PPDT is Picture Perception and Description Test. In this, a figure is shown in the computer, in the screen, then 30 seconds are given to visualize that image. then that image is gone and you have to write the story about that picture. In that you have to write the opening part, middle part and ending conclusion. You do not require to describe the picture. Keep this in mind. You have to write the story and not to describe the picture. You have to write the story, which is some meaningful story and that shows some officers like quality you are having. Understand? Then after PPDT, that is picture perception description test, in that after you write down the stories, then a tea break is given. It is approximately 5 to 15 minutes, and after this the candidates are divided in groups and according to chest number, and they are called for the group discussion. In group discussion, first of all have to narrate their story individually. Then the group discussion start as the last candidate completes its individual story, and after the group discussion finishes, the first day test is over, that is screening test is over. That's all for first day. Then you have your lunch time. You go and enjoy the lunch at SSB center, and then the results are commenced on the same day, and the candidates who got screened in are stay in SSB center. Rest of the other candidates have to leave the SSB center. Now for those who got the screened in, they have stage 2 exam, that is day 2 exam. Day 2 consists of psychological test. Psychological test consists of TET, VET, SRT and SDT. TET is thematic apperception test. In this 10 to 12 pictures shown, and last slide consists of blank slide. In this 30 seconds is given to analyze the picture and 4 minutes to write the story on it. So in this way you have to write 10 to 12 stories and the time given as per the SSB centers. Approximately 4 minutes is given to write each story. Then pictures are shown one after another, and the last slide is blank, as I has already told you. Then after this TET is similar to PPDT, but in this you are given with more than one pictures. In that you are given only one picture, and in that description is particularly, that is mandatory, that in this TET exam you are not going to discuss or describe your story to anyone. Then the second test is VET. VET consists of word association test. In word association test, you are given 60 words as shown one after other. 15 seconds are given for each word. You have to look at the word on screen, think of the original idea to make the sentence and write the meaningful sentence of it. Then the SRT. This is known as situation reaction test. SRT, in this 60 situations is given in a booklet and 30 minutes are given. In 30 seconds for each situation, you have to read the situation, analyze the situation and give the meaningful way to tackle that situation. Okay. Then is SDT. In case of SDT, you are required to give the situation in this is self description test, not situation reaction test. This is by mistake. SDT is self description test. In self description test there are main 5 components. First is parents' opinion. In this you have to write that what your parents think about you, what is their opinion about you, that you have to write in the parents' opinion. Then the next one is teacher's opinion. In that you have to write what your teachers thought about you, what are the opinion of your teachers about you. Then third one is the friend's opinion. In that you have to write your friend's opinion. And then your self opinion, what you think about you. You have to write what you thought about you, what are your weakness and all, you have to write in this. Okay. Then the last one, fifth, is what is the aim of your life. It is qualities you would like to improve to achieve aim in your life. You have to describe what is your aim in your life, what you want to be, and what qualities would you like to improve to achieve this aim in your life. This consists of psychological test, and day 2 is finished. That is stage 2, day 2 is over after this psychological test, which consists of TET, VET, SRT and SDT. Then on stage 2, day 3, first GTO 1 was there. In GTO 1, first test was group discussion. In case of group discussion, 2 rounds were there. In round 1, 2 topics are given to candidates. Out of the 2 topics, one topic is to be selected by the candidates with mutual understanding, and after that you have to discuss on that topic. Understand? In round 2, the GTO will give one topic and there is no other option. The group have to give their views about that topic and discuss in the group, and about 10 to 15 minutes are given in both the rounds. This is group discussion task. This is the first task of day 3, that is GTO 1. Then the second task is group planning exercise. In case of group planning exercise, GTO will narrate story using models and story card. 2 to 3 major problems and 1 minor problem is there in story. You have story card is distributed among the candidates for 5 minutes. You have to write your individual solution for the problem in story in 10 minutes. And then the time that papers will taken by the GTOs, and then you have the time about 10 to 15 minutes to discuss on that group planning exercise. The third test is progressive group task. It is well known by PGT. It consists of 4 obstacles, and which consist of various grounds and color rules. That ground and color rules will be priorly known to you by your GTOs, and some helping materials are also given to cross that obstacles. You have to use that helping material to cross the obstacle. The time given to this task is 40 minutes. You have to complete this PGT in 40 minutes. After PGT, there is next test, that is test number 4. It consists of group obstacle race, or well known by snake race. Okay, in this group obstacle race, you have to cross various obstacles in groups. You have also one lightweight long rope known as snake is given to you, which you have to carry along with the obstacles. And yes, there are definitely various rules in the snake race also that all told by the GTOs priorly. Okay, and the time to complete this is 40 minutes. Okay, the next test is half group task, HGT. It is same as PGT, but your group is made half. So in this, all the candidates got the chance to show their talent as the candidates become half. In this, 1 or 2 obstacles are given and 20 minutes are given to complete that task. And then there is a lecturate. Sorry, here the spelling of lecturate is wrong. LECTURETTE. Okay. In lecturate, the cards are already there. You have to select any one card, and out of in one card you have to select any one topic. In that, maybe 3 or 4 topics are already written, out of which you have to choose one topic, and in that topic Preparation time is given about 3 minutes and there are 3 minutes to speak on that topic. Be confident when you are giving the lecture, and yes, be sure that you have enough amount of knowledge about that topic. Okay. Then day 4, that is GTO 2. In this test, it consists of mainly 3 tests. First is individual obstacle, second is command task, and third is final group task. So first of all, discuss about the individual obstacle. Individual obstacle is given to individual candidates. It consists of 10 obstacles and it consists of 55 points. Each obstacle had different points. You have to complete the 10 obstacles in 3 minutes, and you may got the bonus point if you have completed all the 10 obstacles before 3 minutes and again start revising the 10 obstacles. Okay. Then the next task is command task, CT. In this, your GTO will made you commander. You have to call 2 candidates to help you. So you call the candidates by their chest number and you have to solve the problems like defusing a bomb, rescuing the people by using the helping material with 1 or 2 obstacles were there. And for this 10 minutes time is available. Okay, the last one is final group task. In final group task, you have to cross the obstacles which are slightly large, and you have to do this in more number of candidates. Okay, and using the helping materials and all the rules for that remain same as previously discussed by the GTOs. Okay, yeah, interview held on day 2 or day 4 in evening or afternoon. Okay, personal interview will be taken by interviewing officers. Then day 5 is the conference day. In this day you got the chance to meet with the selection staff, and it was the last day of various tests. In this very normal questions were asked by the officers who are sitting in the conference hall. It was like all the faculty, all the assessors were sitting and you were alone to sit on front chair and all are gazing at you. It was like I think that it was the best moment because all are in the uniform and you are very in high josh that I have to make this like this and all. And after this, in evening, results are declared. After the result is declared, you are if you are recommended, then you have to stay for medicals, and if you are not recommended, then don't be sad about it. Go back to your home, analyze what you have done mistaken, what are your mistakes, why are you not recommended, analyze yourself why you fail, and after this with more josh come again, give your SSB, give your 100%, be yourself, and you will definitely get recommended. That's all for today. Meet you soon in my next series.